Follow the steps on how to create a text effect like this using the knife tool in Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. Create a rectangle as the background. Remove the stroke. And add a gradient color. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Press T and type a text. Set the font size and type. Place it in the center of the artboard. Right-click and create outlines. Activate the knife tool. Hold Alt while clicking and dragging to get a straight cut like this. Apply to all letters. Press V for the selection tool, then ungroup. Separate each cut. Select all and group them. Open Pathfinder and make a compound shape. Now you can add a gradient. Or you can take a color from the library. Finally, add a drop shadow. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.